This is so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. By the title below, you already know what this video is about. But before we get into that, if you're new here, welcome. To all my oldies, thank you so much for joining me. Hey ladies, listen up. You are gonna thank me for this video later. It's a very sensitive topic, but nevertheless, here goes. This remedy works amazingly well, so try this with my other recommendations for great results. And remember, watch this video to the end because I don't want you guys missing out on any important information. Thank you guys so much again for joining me. Let's get into the video. Guys, I forgot to mention a very important piece of information. Please do not refer to down there with the regular name, but for today's video, we're going to be calling it our Posh Pearls. So as I stated earlier, a lot of women can be embarrassed by this if they find out that lately their Posh Pearl is not as close as they would like for it to be. And that is why I am sharing this to help you guys restore your womanhood. So ladies, if you have given birth naturally, if you're a married woman, or even if you're single and you lack confidence in that area, then this video will definitely be beneficial to you. So let's talk a little bit about the benefits of peanut. Peanut is packed with many vitamins and minerals, rich source of protein, rich in vitamin B and vitamin E, contains good fat, boosts energy, and also helps with infertility. So guys, before starting the process, make sure to wash your hands and clean your work area. I'll be washing my nuts around 3 times. So after washing my peanuts around 3 times, I'm now going to go ahead, I'm going to drain the water off. The next step is leaving your peanuts out to air dry, and in this case I'm laying mine on a flat surface, which is my cutting board, and that should take about 2 hours. So to this pot I've added 3 cups of water, and then I'm going to add my peanuts, and I am going to allow that to boil for about 30 to 45 minutes. So this is the consistency that I'm looking for, a dark brown color. Now I'm going to pour the liquid in my glass cup, and I do recommend that you use glass instead of plastic, so please take note of that. And I'm also using a strainer because all we need is the liquid from the peanut. I'm going to allow this to sit for 20 minutes because I'm not going to consume it hot. I prefer to consume it warm. And don't forget, you can drink this twice daily, especially on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning and last thing before you go to bed at night. And there you have it, our peanut water, or as some people refer to it as our ground water. And remember, you can take this for 5 to 7 days maximum. If you do not receive the result you have wanted in the first try, you can go ahead and repeat this after 1 month. You can also repeat peanut after first use, or you can trash it. It's totally up to you. I hope this video was useful. So guys, I have allowed my tea to cool down for a few minutes. So now I am going to have it. And remember, you will get great results. Just follow all the information that I provided here today, and I guarantee you that you'll be smiling for years to come. This is so good. And remember, you can have this twice a day, morning and at night before you go to bed. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.